Hey guys, welcome back to CNA's Try. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. This project is aimed at the amateur videographer or photographer, someone like myself, who needs to try to add some different shots to their video project. This is more what I'm used to looking at. If you can see, it's not ideal. I had a project down here, I could do something, but you see yourself in the picture, in the frame, you're not focused on the actual artwork of the project that you're working on. I don't like that. I'm going to be making the rig to sit on top of my drafting table. This is where I do a lot of my artwork. This desk here is about 3.5 by 2.5 feet. It's a fairly large table for what I'm used to working on. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to go with this. For this project, we're going to be utilizing PVC pipe. Now, they come in a variety of lengths and sizes that you can purchase from your local hardware store. I decided to go with a 1/2 inch PVC. It will provide plenty of strength for holding and positioning my iPhone. In addition to the PVC pipe, you're going to need some connectors. You're going to need 4 T's and 10 elbows. Before we can do any assembly, we need to cut all of the PVC pieces to size. There are a variety of ways to cut your pieces. You can get your pieces cut at the local hardware store, or you can do it yourself. I decided to pick up an inexpensive handheld PVC cutter and do it myself. It's a simple little device. As you can see, I've made the mark of where I need to cut. Make your marks and then line it up with the cutting blade. Simply turn the knob to tighten around the pipe so it's nice and snug, and then you twist. If you choose this method, do yourself a favor and get some plumber's pliers or vice grips to hold the pipe. After a couple of revolutions, continue the process of tightening and twisting until the pipe breaks free. Once all of your pieces are cut, it's time for assembly. This quick presentation shows each section a step at a time. Now, if you decide to permanently glue your final rig, it's best to do a dry fit first. Trust me on this. If you didn't cut all of your pieces accurately, you'll be mighty upset if you glue as you go. Now, the assembly is not really hard at all. It's really just putting the pieces together and making sure that they're pushed in really well and they have a really nice snug fit. As each piece is added, you can start to see the project starting to come to life. It's going to take up a little bit of space, but don't worry, this project is movable. But this is how it looks in collapsed form. Okay, let's show you how this thing works. You're going to pull the main part up and push the inner piece to the back. It's going to form a very stable triangular form to mount your camera on. In order to mount your phone, I had picked up 2 additional pieces. This little guy is a 1/4 inch mount adapter with a multi-directional swivel assembly. I'll mount this directly to the frame. Then I'll attach a common phone bracket to hold the phone. I'll provide links to both of these items in the description box. Now let's take a look at the finished rig. I drilled a hole in the middle of the front pipe and mounted everything using a 1/4 inch screw. This allows me the ability to see the work area and adjust the phone as needed. This is what your camera view will look like. I'm going to be filming a little bottle lamp project in the near future, and this rig allows me the ultimate freedom to work without worrying about holding the camera. I now have space to work, and I can zoom in and out as needed with minimal effort. Now that's 2 huge thumbs up for me, and I hope this project helps you document your creativity to share with the world. Thanks again for checking us out. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and know that we are blessed because of you. Bye for now, and God bless.